Congratulations on the purchase of the most technologically advanced exhaust removal system on the market today. This video will demonstrate how to operate your new MagneGrip system. First, we'll talk about three basic components that are used in connecting your system: the tailpipe adapter, the magnetic nozzle, and the balancer. Make sure a tailpipe adapter has been installed on the tip of the exhaust pipe before connecting the nozzle to any vehicle. When properly installed, the adapter and tailpipe should be straight and level. The patented MagneGrip tailpipe adapter provides an airtight seal without the need for auxiliary pneumatics or electrical support. Some tailpipe adapters are like this louvered tailpipe adapter. The purpose of the louvers is to deflect hot exhaust down and away from anyone standing near the apparatus while it is running. Both tailpipe adapters have 3 alignment pins, which must be located at the 12, 3, and 9 o'clock positions. The adapter also has an ambient air inlet ring, which allows outside air to be drawn in to reduce the exhaust temperature. A gasket over the ring serves as a one-way check valve, allowing air to enter but not allowing exhaust fumes to backflow into the firehouse. When properly installed, the 12 o'clock pin is visible to the firefighter at a standing position. The MagneGrip nozzle has rare earth magnet assemblies called MagnePacks, which are inside the nozzle, away from the direct exhaust heat. The location of the MagnePacks, combined with the flanged tailpipe adapter, is what enables the nozzle to perform its hold and release action. To connect the nozzle, line up the 3 notches at the front edge of the nozzle with the alignment pins on the tailpipe adapter. Holding the nozzle at an angle, align the top notch with the 12 o'clock pin. Now push down and in to securely attach the nozzle to the tailpipe adapter. When correctly aligned, the nozzle cannot be pulled off the adapter. Pulling up and back on the hose simulates the angle at which the nozzle releases when the apparatus exits the station. At this angle, it easily disconnects every time. Your MagneGrip system has a balancer with a retractable cable. Extending the cable, you can move the hose into position when connecting the nozzle to the tailpipe adapter. When the apparatus exits, the balancer cable allows for a smooth release as the nozzle disconnects. The cable retracts, pulling the hose out of the way and holding the nozzle off the floor. With the nozzle connected, when an alarm sounds, the apparatus can be boarded and leave without any delay. As the apparatus is started, a sensor detects air movement in the hose and automatically activates the exhaust fan. This is a straight suction rail system. MagneGrip manufactures other systems, so yours may not look exactly like this one. However, they all operate in the same basic manner. As the apparatus moves towards the exit, the trolley glides along the rail until it reaches the end stop. As the apparatus departs the station, the nozzle stays connected until just before the apparatus exits the building. When the apparatus returns to the station, a firefighter extends the balancer cable, moving the hose to just inside the doorway. As you pull the hose forward, be sure the trolley is at the front end of the rail. When getting in position to connect the nozzle, never place yourself between the hose and the backing vehicle. The firefighter now motions to the driver to pull into the bay and stop when the tailpipe is near the threshold. As the sensor detects the air pressure from the exhaust, the fan automatically switches on. The exhaust fumes never enter your breathing zone. The fan continues to run for 3 minutes before automatically shutting off. If you have the sliding balancer track system installed in your firehouse, connecting the nozzle is the same procedure. This is the sliding flex hose track system, which again connects in the same manner. Simply align the nozzle with the 12 o'clock pin on the tailpipe adapter and make the connection. More fire departments choose MagneGrip systems because they offer the easiest to use and safest 100% effective exhaust removal. When the nozzle is connected, a sensor detects air movement from the exhaust and electronically signals the control panel. The fan automatically starts and draws the toxic emissions out of the building. For normal operation, the switch is set on auto. This position is used to automatically start the system during emergency responses. A timer inside the control panel box allows the system to run from 3 minutes to 10 minutes. The standard setting for most departments is 3 minutes. After the set time has expired, the system resets and is ready for the next response. The reset button can be used to shut down the system before the end of the preset time cycle. Setting the switch to its manual position allows it to override the timer when the fan needs to run longer. Anytime the apparatus is started and will not be pulling out of the station, the switch should be turned to the manual position for continuous runtime. This manual override can be used during engine checks. Apparatus maintenance checks should be kept to approximately 10 minutes with the engine at 1400 RPMs or less. After using the manual override, be sure to turn the switch back to auto for automatic operation. Any engine maintenance requiring more than the recommended maximum RPMs should be done outside the firehouse. The wireless air pressure sensor transmits a signal to the control box to immediately activate the exhaust fan. On the straight suction rail system, the sensor is mounted on the trolley. On the sliding balancer track system, the sensor is mounted on the ductwork above the hose. And on the sliding flex hose track system, the sensor is mounted on the elbow just above the hose. Optional handheld transmitters or vehicle ignition transmitters are also available, which can activate the exhaust fan from inside or outside the firehouse. Your MagneGrip system requires a minimum of maintenance and a few periodic adjustments to provide years of trouble-free service. Please refer to your operations and maintenance manual for details about maintenance procedures for your specific system. If you have questions or problems with your MagneGrip Exhaust Removal System, please call our 800 number for assistance. Thank you again for choosing a MagneGrip Exhaust Removal System. You have made an excellent choice for protecting the health of your firefighters.